Now let's work those nasal labial folds, smile lines, marionette lines. I'm first of all using a little facial oil as normal and just applying lower part of the face, and then side of the ears and the side of the neck to the collarbone. So with our fingers here, I'm almost having a sort of almost like a scissor motion, and I'm just lifting now, literally from the jawline towards the nostrils. I'm just doing this a few times. And whatever product you've placed on your face is going to penetrate in even better. And then just massage the nostrils and glide under the cheekbone towards the ears. So now with the fingers, I'm starting with a little gentle tapping, just getting the blood flow and circulation to the area. And I like to work in an upwards motion. And then just going to work a little bit further along as well, lower part of the face. And then back to where the nasal labial folds and smile lines are. And then again, back upwards. And then we're going to really massage in here now where the nostrils are. And going in literally one way, and then you want to go in the other way as well. Nice circular motions. And then we're really going to go in here by the nostrils, lifting up almost towards the cheekbone. And then on the other side, where the nostrils are, we want to lift up here. Slightly different directions if you can, but towards the sort of the nostrils and the cheekbone here. And then again, massage these nostrils either side. We tend to find this is where it all starts, from the top here. Now also, how you sleep can also affect your nasal labial folds and also smile and laugh lines. Obviously if you smile a lot and you crease up, but also if you're sleeping, and if you're a side sleeper, you can scrunch, and then this will actually end up with lines in this area. So sometimes it's important to perhaps place a different pillow or actually sleep on the other side, just so we're not creasing when we're actually sleeping. Also having a silk pillow can help as well with creases, rather than a cotton or linen pillow. And then again, just glide under the cheekbones towards the ears. So lifting up and across. So placing one hand to one side, you don't want to be stretching and doing this, because you'll make this actually worse on either side. So placing as an anchor, and I'm just literally massaging, breaking down any tight fascia, upwards and outwards. And then working along as well, all along towards the ears. And then the other side, placing hand as an anchor, fingers, and then just working our way upwards. And then along. We're doing this, we're also helping with elastin within the skin and collagen, all these massage movements. Towards the ear.